Man, what is up with you, man? And I'm here to drop a whole nother video, man. Today was today that I ended the glass house effect on me. Yeah, I know you probably got a little glimpse, man, but I wish that I could have got it done and, you know, kind of recorded him putting this on. But man, I got the OBS blacked out. Like, bro, your boy, man, I'm so happy, bro. Can't, man, look, man, just look, man, just, bro, this mug. I think this thing here done changed the whole look of the truck, man. I'm really happy with the decisions that I made. I'm happy. You can't hardly see in the truck, man. I really like that, man. I used a different guy, and honest to God, I think I'm gonna be using him more often on all my vehicles. The work was good. I mean, look at that mug. I finally got my privacy, man. To some, you know, I'm gonna post a picture of what the truck looked like for the people that's just now tuning in. This is what the truck looked like before, and this is what it looked like now. Yeah, hey, if you're gonna black it out, you might as well just go ahead and black this thing on out, man. I'm really happy with how it came out. This is exactly what I had wanted. Man, just look at this mug, man. What are you doing in there? I don't know. I can't see you. Yes, thank you. Until you open the door. And you be like, oh, okay, cool. Yeah. Got work stuff from work. But, yes, sir. Yes, sir. Privacy at last. Thank God, bro. I was up here like, man, when I be up there riding around, man, I just see people they just be I think that they're just sitting there just looking at the back of my head, man. Like, man, you need to do something with that stuff on the back of your head, buddy. But, yeah. Man, I'm telling you, little by little, man, this thing is coming into play. You know, got a guy, you know, next up, you know, I told y'all this was gonna be done. It was gonna be done sooner or later, man. This was gonna be done, man. Look at that. Look, man, what's in there? You can't really tell me, huh? You can't really say nothing. The front windshield, I be debating, man. Should I go ahead and tint the whole thing, or just let it be for a while, man? Put my logo over there, man. Ooh. Boy, look at that mug, boy. Boy, your boy is really happy, man. I'm glad I did this. One thing off the checklist. 2 good things. Oh, man. Oh, no, that's on the outside. Oh, hell, that's on the inside. Well, It's always something. Condensation on the inside. Well, it was only about like $25 or so. So it's not that bad. Not that bad. But shit, I ain't gonna lie to you. I've been thinking about going back with the original style, but just putting the LED bulbs in there. Yeah. But man, get up in this mud. Yeah, man. I'm happy. I'm happy. All the way happy, y'all. But the fuck? I don't know what that was, but yeah. Get my bag out. Shut my door. And look at the glow. Man, I hope y'all enjoyed it. And more stuff on the way. I just got off, man. I wish I could have did that first reaction of it, but boy, I was so stoked, boy. I was like, oh my God, man, I just gotta drive my truck now. I just got to. But that's gonna be it on the video for right now, man. It's blacked out. Yes. But hey, if you made it this far, man, appreciate you for watching, tuning in, man. Like I say, like, share, subscribe, hit that post bell notification, man, and stay tuned, man. The build continues, man. It continues.